In this video, we'll show you how to change the front engine splash shield on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford Fusion safely. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 7 engine splash shield retaining bolts. You can then remove the splash shield. You can order the splash shield used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new shield, put the splash shield back in place, then screw the retaining bolts back in. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Then you can rest your vehicle on the ground. Operation complete.